A break from social media, phone, and people got me thinking that I really needed to rejuvenate, rewind, and restart my life. And that got me here. This place is called Naturoville, which is a naturopathy and yoga healing center located on the Rishikesh-Dehradun highway. It's a short 20 minutes drive from Haridwar and a 5 hours drive from New Delhi.
Hello and welcome everybody to Life Escapes with Jay. My name is Jagriti and in this video today I'll be showing you what a health holiday feels like.
More than just a destination, this place is your sanctuary for holistic well-being. They offer you an authentic blend of Ayurveda, naturopathy, yoga and meditation along with a balanced diet for your physical, medical, mental and emotional healing. Enter karte hi, there was a really sweet welcome with a traditional tikka and a healthy welcome drink.
So this is going to be my escape for the next 10 days.
यहाँ आते ही सबसे पहले होगा आपका डॉक्टर्स अपॉइंटमेंट. I have come here on a detox trip, but they do offer way more than just detox. They have various treatments for choti si choti and badi si badi problems. Post the doctor's appointment that almost went on for about an hour, he designed a treatment schedule for me, keeping in mind my body, health type, habits and Ayurveda doshas.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. सुबह के 6:30 बज रहे हैं एंड आज तक मैं इस टाइम सिर्फ सोई हूँ, उठी कभी नहीं. बट हियर आई एम हैविंग माई हर्बल टी और इसके बाद स्केड्यूल के अकॉर्डिंग हमें जाना है एक ब्रिस्क वॉक पे. सो लेट्स गो.
At 7:30 a.m. was my yoga session, post which I headed towards the restaurant for breakfast.
मैम आज डॉक्टर का जो डाइट आपका है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपका ग्रीन जूस, यहाँ आपका ग्रीन जूस, इसमें जो चीज़ें हैं वो साथ में ये चीज़ों का ही जूस बनता है.
कड़वा तो नहीं होगा?
कड़वा नहीं होगा.
Not bad. It's actually not bad.
मैम ये आपका इडली सांभर, ये इडली ओट्स की इडली साथ में कोकोनट चटनी और सांभर.
It's good. क्या मस्त लग रहा है, बारिश हो रही है, ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर डन विद आवर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड इट्स 9:30 a.m. टाइम टू गो फॉर साइकिलिंग. सो लेट्स गो.
Chalo, let me take you around the property on my cycle. Let's go for a ride. The most awaited part of my day, the therapy session. So every individual is assigned 2 therapies in a day according to your treatment. Let's see what they have planned for me today.
this was very, very, very relaxing.
So I went for a quick shower post my therapy and then this happened.
So बाहर बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है and I decided कि I'll have lunch in the room and I thought healthy eating is starving, but यहाँ तो पूरी की पूरी थाली है and I'm so tempted to see what's inside.
The food here does not compromise on their freshness, quality and taste. They definitely do not make healthy eating a punishment. Everything served is catchy to eyes and really very tasty. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite spots here, Cabanas by the pool. So this area has two pools. एक है heated pool for people like me who absolutely hate getting into the cold water and the second one is a normal pool. लेकिन अभी हम किसी में भी नहीं जाएंगे, यहाँ बैठेंगे और धूप के मजे लेंगे. It's 5:30 p.m. and according to the schedule, let's go hit the gym now. For guest entertainment, they also have some daily activities that happen around here, like yoga dancing, special meditation, musical nights. Ayurveda is known to treat almost all physical, mental and psychological issues. But bear in mind that Ayurveda does not give you immediate results like over-the-counter medicines. It is a gradual process that helps eradicate the disease from its root and requires dedicated following of routine.
So ये था मेरा दिन, काफ़ी सुकून और आराम से भरपूर. And I loved every part of it and I'm very excited for the coming days. Now you decide when are you going to take your health vacation and I'll enjoy mine while I'm here. I am absolutely enjoying my stay here and मौसम भी मेरा बहुत साथ दे रहा है. It's so beautiful, so refreshing and yes, this is the end of my video and hope you guys liked it. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, उनके दोस्तों और मेरे फ्यूचर में बनने वालों दोस्तों, नज़र नहीं इस वीडियो को बहुत सारा प्यार देना and I'll see you in the next video.